All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol SNDL, Sundial Growers Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all the first-time viewers and investors, and to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, and to stay tuned on in right after this chart analysis for the ticker symbol. I have to share with you guys that you want to add to your watch list, as well as the opportunities that are going on over at the Discord. So if it's something that interests you, you're going to see the home run that one of the investors hit yesterday. They made $1,000+ on the day in just a matter of a few hours, guys. So if you guys want to know what ticker symbols we're watching daily and take your portfolio to newer levels and grow as an investor with a community of 100+ members already, and we're all focusing on one goal, and it's to maximize profits and minimize losses and grow together, you can join us. We look forward to have you join us. The link is down below in the description, guys. So it's the description link to the Discord. So here we are with the Sndl stock chart, right? And the 50-day moving average is 90 cents. We saw a nice run, and I had a lot of people, which if you join the Discord, you'll see how I felt about this stock, ask me today in the morning how I felt about Sndl. Some people played it, some people didn't. They actually played it by swing trading it from the day before. But to be honest with you, I was completely wanting to avoid this one or anything in this sector because it was very, very risky and it was too much hype, and it looked like it already had done its run. And if you ended up thinking that today this stock was going to just fly to the moon like it's done in the past, right, with news though, and you thought this was going to happen without news or the anticipation, right, of a bill or something being passed, you were going to be left behind or holding. And that's what happened here today. Clear example of what happened today. So we ended up back to the lows before the run even started. So this is so important right now, the support levels and resistance levels. So the 50-day moving average, 90 cents. And our resistance, way up here at $1.02, because that's how far it fell from that high before the drop. But since it's so far away, obviously 90 cents is your first point of reference to get back into bullish territory. And the closer one to know where the momentum is going is 86 cents from where we're sitting at 84 cents. Now our support levels is right here at 83 cents. If that gets broken through, you want to watch this carefully, closer to this point down here of 80 cents being one of the lows before it spiked, pulled back, and ran. So 80 cents is important. So between where it's at now at 84 cents and 83 cents, watch carefully. And from 83 down to 80 cents, watch even more closely, guys. As always, if you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community. And guys, smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel, and it lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. Now, right now, we're going to talk about a ticker symbol that we mentioned yesterday that was a home run, 30% gainer. We've been hitting 5 to 10% gainers every single day, and every 2 to 3 days we get those nice 20% gainers, 15 to 20%, but this one was a home run, 30% plus in just a matter of hours. Check it out, and I want you guys to be aware of a ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list, because long term this stock is looking like an opportunity, and Kathy Wood holds a position in it. Not Sndl, the one I want you guys to be aware of, and not the one I'm going to talk about that we swing trade and day traded yesterday either. Okay, that's a penny stock. The stock I'm about to mention to you guys after that is in the gaming sector and has a lot of potential, and it's sitting currently at $12, but since I recorded this yesterday, it was at $14. It fell a little bit more, and it's getting close to a bottom, and you definitely want to be aware of this. Stay tuned. Let's talk about the home run of the day, okay? And I talked about AMBO. It's another stock picking up volume, and it got a lot of news with Amazon partnership, and I was talking about how these penny stocks were bumping today, because not only was AMBO running because of Amazon, but also CLNE had jumped because of that. Now, it's currently sitting at 246, needs more volume, and as I was typing, it was slightly passing the 1 million in volume, which is what we like to look for, and that doesn't always guarantee anything, but it was a start, right? That was getting us to understand what's up. So We caught this one at 236, okay? So this dipped after a run, it dipped and it pulled back, right? Right here to lows of 242. So we caught this way back here, okay? Back at this moment. So we caught it at the best dip and we rode it, and right there in just a matter of minutes, it gave us more than enough, like in the pre-market. I'm not even kidding. Right there from that point forward, there was a big opportunity, and it pulled back into the opening of the market close to 237, and it took off to 289, right? That's all we look for, 10 to 20%. This stock gave us more than 10% on that jump, and at the high of the day, it gave us beyond our expectations, okay? Way past 20%. And here are some results of one of the investors, and this is where we post our profits, and I'm going to zoom these in just a moment. And this was the day trades of AMBO, thanks to Invest for Tomorrow. So to that investor, thank you for pointing that out, giving credit where it's due. But I'm going to give credit to you because you hit a home run today, and that is what we're looking for. That's what I want everyone to do with these positions. So this person went ahead and bought at $3,300 and sold at $3,600. $300 right there. Bought back in at $3,500 and sold at $4,000. So that right there was a total amount just between those two of almost $800, okay? And then we have another one here that gave another $300. This was $1,000 in one day in a matter of an hour or two at $1,200 and sold at $1,500. Now, am I guaranteeing these results every single time? No. But what we look for is 10 to 20% to maximize profits, minimize losses. And if this is something that interests you, you can join us over at the Patreon and the Discord. The links are down below, and we look forward to have you join us. The slots are filling up quickly, guys. I do want you guys to be aware of that. We're on our way to 100 members, and I look forward to you guys joining us. And I have a series to equip you guys and prepare you guys to become better traders at maximizing profits, minimizing losses. And we're out here making money while the market is red. So what's the stock I want you guys to add to your watch list? So this stock has been beaten down really hard, okay? When I first talked about it, I stated that this could fall closer to $15. And if it did, it was going to present itself as an opportunity, okay? I went ahead and talked about that almost a week ago. I mentioned it again. And for the last 2-3 weeks, I've talked about this one. And this is way below where I mentioned. And Kathy Wood loads up on this one. There's a lot of institutional ownership going up. And this stock will be one of those that's set to explode in the long term. So SKLZ, I definitely recommend doing your research, doing your due diligence. And when you're playing this one, you got to know you're investing in the future, right? This is a new technology that's going to roll out to be more enhanced. So it's basically bringing the past to the present and turning it into the future, because there's going to be like betting on there and stuff, playing games that we know since our Nokia phones and since way back when we used to not even have touchscreen phones, like regular phones, playing bowling, solitaire, things that you would play on the computer. And they're looking to expand. So this is a stock to do your research and understand as much as you can at these levels, because the opportunities are endless. Now, I'm not saying you're going to get your returns right away, but this could possibly be a swing trade for the next several months, or it could be a long-term play for the next year or two as this company grows. I mean, the company does have to grow. They have some work to do. But like I said, you're investing in the future when you invest in Skills, SKLZ. This is definitely a stock you want to add to your watch list. If you want to see the full weekly watch list that I just posted this weekend, join us. The links are down below. I look forward to have you guys join us. We have an incredible group of smart and intelligent investors over at the Patreon and Discord, and you are able to become part of that as well. We look forward to have you join us. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.